If Steam is giving you an installation error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This usually happens because of permission issues, leftover files from an old install, or Steam being unable to connect properly during setup. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced tools. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Now, let's get into it. The first thing you should try is running the Steam installer as an administrator. A lot of Windows installation errors happen because the setup file does not have enough permission to create folders inside protected locations like program files. So find your SteamSetup.exe file, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes and let the installer continue. This one step alone can solve the problem for many users because it gives Steam the access it needs to install correctly. If that does not work, the next step is to clean the target directory. This is especially important if you are reinstalling Steam and the old installation left behind broken or read-only files. Go to c:/programfiles86/Steam and delete the entire Steam folder if it is still there. Make sure you remove it completely, because partial files can interfere with a fresh install. If Windows says a file is in use, open Task Manager and end any process named Steam or WebHelper. These background processes can keep files locked and prevent the installer from replacing them. After that, check your disk space and make sure the drive is formatted correctly. Steam itself does not need a huge amount of space for the installer, but you should still have at least 500 megabytes free just for the client installation. Of course, if you plan to download games afterward, you will need much more room than that. So open File Explorer, check the drive where you are installing Steam, and confirm that you have enough free space. If your drive is nearly full, clear out some files first and then try the installation again. Another thing to check is whether Windows is blocking Steam because of security permissions or antivirus software. Sometimes real-time protection can interfere with the installer while it is trying to create folders or write new files. If you have an antivirus program running, temporarily disable it during the installation and then turn it back on once Steam is installed. Also make sure the folder permissions are not restricted, especially if you are using a custom install location. If needed, try installing Steam in a different folder or on a different drive to see whether the error disappears. If the installer still fails, restart your computer and try again. A simple reboot can clear locked files, background services, and temporary system issues that may be causing the error. After restarting, run the installer as administrator again and see if it completes properly. In many cases, that is enough to get Steam installed without any further steps. Once Steam finally installs, open it and let it update fully before signing in and downloading anything. That helps make sure all the bootstrap files and client components are working correctly. If your problem was caused by leftover files, permissions, or a storage issue, these steps should fix it. If this tutorial helped you solve the Steam installation error, please give the video a like and subscribe for more quick fixes and gaming setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.